TV. It's a perk of being me. I'm bringing swag to the soiree. Let's get a little bit rowdy, y'all. We turn the max on everything. I'm gonna move it till I drop.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning.
How'd you sleep last night?
Great.
Are you sad that tomorrow's gonna be our last day?
Sad but happy. Because I need to get back to my doggies.
You're sick.
Well, I love them. They're my babies.
I know.
Tomorrow, baby. Because Daddy has to be back for the wedding on Saturday. Well, we stayed yesterday, today. Wait, was yesterday our first? Okay, so the first day, yesterday, today, tomorrow. That's 4. And then, well, we got to just really enjoy these next few days, huh? Yeah, I mean.
Today is an extra windy day. They put the red flags out, and I think that it may have something to do with Hurricane Milton. It is slated to make landfall tonight around 10 p.m. Of course, it's about 8 hours from here where it's gonna land, but this could very well be some of the residual of the storm. Who knows? I don't know for sure, but that's what I'm guessing. We'll have to monitor it as the day progresses. Uncle Nick, how were the vegan, gluten-free donuts this morning?
They were good. They were interesting.
What's the name of the place?
Parlor Donuts.
All right, if you guys are looking for gluten-free.
I wouldn't advise going there though.
I gotta get some sunblock on, girls, because Daddy is white. He's gonna turn red.
I think here and I don't think
Ava, where are we going?
Will you do her sunscreen real quick so I don't have to get on my hands?
Yeah, do you have a little bottle of lotion for me? Yeah. Come here, Ava, do your lotion. These waves are gnarly.
Always thinking about you, most likely dreams. Greatest ever morning could have been day I search the sky. Which way to go?
Wild. I got you, girl.
The color of your eyes is a Detroit
What happened?
She had a terrible week and I didn't bring an outfit.
Just now?
Yes. It was all over her outfit and I didn't bring another one. I'm an idiot. How long is the wait?
Honey, I got the bag. Ugh. I got the bag for Fifi's clothes. Back to Bayou Bills for a delicious dinner tonight. Hi, Amy. You ready to eat, baby? Hi. You ready to eat some Bayou Bills? I do. Did you go see them gators yet?
Hey,
Huh.
do I not have my nursing cover?
I don't know, baby. I don't want to drop back again.
I don't think I have it.
So what's that mean?
I guess I can still nurse, but it'll be.
Okay.
I thought I had it.
Ava? We're here, baby.
Leg on you.
Yeah, I guess so.
We're here, baby.
You have to put this blanket on you.
Hey, we're here. You wanna come look at these alligators? I'll bring that one home right there. Look, he loves us. Oh, that one's a sweet one.
He's the scariest. Gross. That one.
That's a sweet one. Hey,
What?
can I buy you an alligator?
No. Yeah.
What are you gonna name it?
Mom, you go eat Stinky.
What are you gonna get, Mama?
I'm getting crab cakes.
Isabella, what are you gonna order tonight?
Crab cake.
Might be a little hot.
I eat my food if I have bread.
Who wants an oyster?
Let me see one. This one. I'm Ooh, I want that one.
Bayou Bill's famous grilled oysters. Delicious. We are looking for crabs on the beach. And we're gonna find them, catch them, and cook them and eat them. Are you gonna eat the crab? Are you gonna eat crabs tonight?
No.
No, we gotta keep going, Mommy. We gotta find the perfect crab.